Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Yo, my G's them right now, you don't know it's me there and it's a new day, it's a new vlog. You may not know why I always started like this, because it's actually not a vlog, it's a reaction video. Today I bring something different to the channel. I want the whole heap of thing for the channel, yeah, like not only vlog, but in terms of bringing short films to bringing skits to you know what I mean? More actually do more than just vlog to the channel, yeah. More cook for more, but not just like how I cook in the vlog, you know what I mean, showing everything in more details and in more depth. As I said before, short films, we have a couple short films that we are working on. I'm gonna do one, drop it on the channel, yeah. My G's them, because remember, you know, me I'm not there, so it's only right me do things like this phone, right? Today's video is a reaction video. We're there and we just gonna jump right into the video. Luckiest people on earth. So we just gonna jump right into the video right now and watch it. Reaction video. Girl, watch where y'all go. Jesus Christ. And that's why you know for crossroad behind something like that, you know. So brother, y'all burn out. Woo! Yo, something. What this a bicycle, brother? I want to see bicycle man I ride like a while. A rain a fall, you know. Oh damn. Tree broke down. And Lucky said the brakes are good coming. You know him a go like a while. Watch out now, bet saw some foolishness. You were always some Russian speak. Miss, look where you go. Nearly kill you, man. Me bomba. Hold on, so which part of the brother you come from? You will look like out of a chucking drop. Damn. Come like a BKR video. Me not watch a video before, me just watch it. Come on, you feel like me nearly tear off it. Hold on me inside like oil. Watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. All the people them be them still are forward, you know. The man in front even have on a seat belt. Yo, I'm head nearly wet the glass. This is why I not like drive side of truck. Dog. Well, I nearly kill granny. Watch out, yeah man, go on, go on, go on. Race my race, you know. Camera battery just dead for me like while some of that switch the battery. On. Dog, oh you go so close to him, man. Benz. Benz. Damn. Man breaks up on the bike, brother. Damn. And the brother they gone going business same in their black car, you know. Watch out, ambulance. That was quick. Jesus Christ, he never see him. So the brother they never see him. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Yeah, there. Be a German people. German people can't drive, you know. My business when nobody wants to watch out. Instead of in a red shirt, I look like.
I urge them to oppose the exclusion.
And what is a brother here? Just a swerve.
Particularly interested. The JCM.
Brother did it on crack. So I'm liquor. I don't see nothing going liquor. Shit! Yo, the woman that. Yo, me no mean for laugh. But yo, the way she just dropped like a while. Watch her, watch her, watch her, watch her. Never amuse me. The girl there. Thank God no. Thank God no. Yo! Brother, turn faster than that, brother. Turn faster than that. Tell you no about people on road in the dark. See that chocolate coffee will like car back. Chocolate coffee will like car back. Him look like him turn fool. Cause I do him watch out. Him don't know where him go. Yo, watch out. Straight neck here, watch it. Brakes, you, brakes. Yo, it's a dark road like this at night too. So dark. Yo, pull up. I went to run off a road. Oh, damn. You look at inch up asleep. You look like a watch out. Yo, the video go stress me out. Yo, you see Kiara fly around. Me no like Chuck that, Jesus Christ. Me no tell it. Chuck people can't be trusted, yo. So me hate ya Crane. Crane, I hate Crane. The brother they stand up right here, so him no see what I go on. Bitch say something dropping it. Nearly tear off him rotted face. Dog, me hate Crane in it. We are one missing. How are this? Gas truck. Don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Brother, move for it. Do not blow up. Watch out. It has sink. The hell? Watch out. My run left your bike. The man that beat down your door. Yo, the man that... Oh my God. It's a little baby crawl from underneath the truck bottom little while, you know. It's a little baby crawl from underneath the truck bottom little while. Damn. Watch out. Might go put on bicycle, dog. Go put on bicycle, dog. Bicycle enough fear, brother. Bicycle enough fear, brother. Put on bicycle, brother. In crash. Bike boy, wait, bike boy. See, sometimes I wonder, you know, me wonder. Damn. Are they say video done? Damn. The woman they hold on the post, I know she no leg a post in a blue right so. Damn, and the bicycle boy, you know, he look like a street cross the road, the bicycle boy right go, you know. And that dead if he go cross the road like while, you know. Yo, me still can't believe the video like while with the baby crowd from outside from underneath the truck. The video is still a puzzle me. But anyway guys, as me say, blessings and respect for come check out the video as something different, as something new me I bring to the channel. If you don't like it, all you have to do, just remember how me and no talk, how me and no communicate. Just comment in the comment section below. Me get shit just the behind me a laugh. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you want more video like this, more reaction. Me I go react to every type of things. Just tag one who want me react to and watch it and react. Right? Because remember me and no there, so big up my Jesus and blessings and respect up it with no pity. Again, if you want more video like this, just comment and say you want more video like this. Yeah, we're there and we're doing it. Remember, always leave a like, always leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Makes sense though. Alright, up it, up it. Ah, man.